This, compared to a normal install, we would do an H-frame. So we would have a 480 volt disconnect. We would have a NEMA 3R transformer. We would have a 208 volt panel. The real benefit there is we would have had to hang that disconnect. We would have to set that transformer. We'd have to hang the 208 panel. We had to pipe between all of them. We had to wire between all of them. In this situation, we were able to do our underground conduits, stub them up, set this cabinet in place, the disconnect, the transformer, the panel is all wired already, so we're literally just pulling our service wire, making terminations, pulling our branch circuits, making terminations. Everything else is ready to go. From this point, after setting, probably within a day or two, we're able to pull wire, make terminations. If utility's ready with power, we're turning on and doing tests. The comparison of time-wise building, I mean, on the front end, we were able to do our underground work, stub our conduits up, pour a concrete pad, and go away. We didn't have, an extra half a day to a day building the A-track, hanging the transformers, hanging the panels, that stuff. So the underground was quicker. The install to this point has been quicker.